Two powerful benefits of reading coming right up. Number one, it saves you from ignorance. Reading, whether it's a hard copy, hardback, paperback, ebooks, audiobooks, books are life-changing. I am where I am today majorly because I have been an ardent reader most of my life. I have spent hours and days lost, in a good way, in chapters of books. My imagination skyrockets and I get back down to earth. Reading, it brings enlightenment and it saves you from a lot of ignorance. Imagine having the privilege to take a peek into many, many great minds, to explode your own great mind. Reading, it can open some doors, close some others. Now I'm sounding so poetic. Yeah, reading rocks. So do you love reading as much as I do? I've read a lot. I've really read a lot. Yet I still have many, many books I'm yet to read in my library, and I've got to make time for them. Will you join me in getting into the reading habit? Unless you're already, doing that, of course. If you lack knowledge on literally any topic in this world, I can guarantee you that you can find the answers in one good book out there. There's always a book, and you can save your life from chronic ignorance by reading. One quote, one sentence, one page, one chapter, one whole book, many books can change your whole life. I know this. I have experienced this. And so can you too. Let's say goodbye to ignorance. Number two, it equips you to achieve. If you ask me which book is my favorite, I will probably say the Bible. Yet, I have so many favorite books. I can hardly choose just one. That will be really hard for me. The words that leap out of a book, out of the pages of a book, when you read, can equip you. Yes, it can enable you go for your dreams. I'll let you in on a secret. Watching videos like this, yeah? It's like reading a book. So if you're pretty new to reading, start here. Watch as many videos as possible. Absorbing the words, listening to them and letting them make meaning to you. It's just like listening to an audiobook with pictures, images, visuals, art, moving objects. The world, they say, belongs to those who read. Reading is generally never a waste of time. Just one more page, one more chapter, one more book. Reading makes you smart. It's the exercise that is best for your mind. The more you read, the more knowledge you will acquire, the more lessons you will learn, and the more tours you take, right from the very comfort of wherever you're reading from. I have read books that I did not want to end. And that's a phenomenal experience. It births great achievements. Join me if you can, and let's keep reading in any format that suits us best. Audio, video, it's all reading. I'll talk to you in my next one. Thank you for watching, and have a lovely day.